Sveno and Mick here, just knocking over some brush cutting just on the lawn Monday morning. Got a few problems with the GQ, an electrical problem, so I'm not doing the lawn. I was supposed to be doing Thursday. So I've got one down, my mate's down, just about finished, and waiting for parts for the GQ. Mighty Greenfields come through with following colours, super reliable as per usual. So I'm just going to show you, just get ready to give it a blowout, blow the grass off, go to the next job. But just going to give you a quick look at some heavier brush cutting with my Bush Ranger BC30, and this is a nice little light brush cutter. So just do a bit of a race cam here and just show you what she goes like. That's actually not real successful trying to use the handlebars doing that, so can't do some purchase on it, so I'm going to pull it up later and I'll put the video after finish. It's quite clear, so it's very hard, so I'll just quickly blow this over and then show the finished product. It's just me back again, little Sveno Mick, little Aussie battler, or the little Aussie struggler we'll say. But no, what's happened is the old GQ is playing up here this morning. It's playing up like a 2-bob watch. See this thing here, which is a airflow sensor or mass airflow sensor, and hopefully not, because they're not cheap. So the auto sparky reckons it's that. Well, this little module under here beside the coil. These two, this one here or this one here, are the ones that normally play up on these old Ds, and or could even be this connector here. So he's pricing around, comes there probably $100 odd, but hopefully he's got this one wrong. It's a Natashi, genuine Nissan, up to $500. So, that'd put a dent in the dent in the works. Anyhow, I'm just pulled up for the day because I was heading to my first job down off the range, down to Landsborough, and I was quite concerned I wouldn't even get back up the hill. She was chuffing and buffing that much. She was buffing back out the air cleaner into the gob. And I'm thinking, is that a patrol or is that a poo-trol? But anyhow, there's me bit of humour. So I do know this, and I reckon it will be this thing here, for the simple reason you want to smell the smells coming out the back of it. It smells like a sewage treatment plant with a hybrid crossover of rotten egg gas. So I'm going to leave it at that and see how we get on. Might even give it a wash, because it's been a good car up until today. You'd expect 30 years, heading for 30 years of age. Can't expect everything, can you now? Got to drop that radiator cowl back in there today too. But other than that, I'm going to leave it at that. Sveno Mick from Svenson's Mowing and Grounds Maintenance, and Sveno Mick of Sveno Mick. How's that sound? Gets me pretty toey. Oh, look at that, Nissan. Nissan, is that my car? Don't know about that. But anyway, Sveno, Mick.